I have a short lunch break today, about 15 minutes. I take my water bottle and go outside. There is a small corner near the office where I sometimes sit on a low wall. It is a quiet spot. Most people walk past without stopping. There are already pigeons on the pavement, more than I expect. They are gathered near a lamppost on the corner. They seem to be waiting for something. I check my phone. When I look up a minute later, there are even more of them. Then a woman comes around the corner. She is older, maybe in her 60s or 70s. She walks slowly and carries a small plastic bag. The pigeons move toward her before she even opens the bag. She didn't even make a sound. They just knew. She opens the bag and reaches inside. Then she starts to scatter crumbs across the pavement. The pigeons push forward. Some of them step right over each other to get close. They don't fight, but they don't wait either. The woman doesn't seem to mind. She keeps her eyes on the ground and just keeps going. She doesn't look up at the buildings. She doesn't look at the people walking past. She only looks at the ground in front of her. It goes on for maybe 4 or 5 minutes. Then the bag is empty. She folds it and puts it in her coat pocket. She watches the pigeons for a moment. Then she turns and walks back around the corner. She doesn't look back. The pigeons stay. They keep pecking at the pavement long after she is gone. A man in a suit walks past. He doesn't look at the birds at all. I sit there for another minute or two. The pigeons are still finding crumbs near the base of the lamppost. I finish my water. My break is almost over. I go back inside. The pigeons are still at the corner. The next day, I go outside at the same time. The pigeons are already there, near the same lamppost, because pigeons know.